Tired of lag ruining epic gaming moments? Frustrated by slow load times and stuttering frames? Ever tried multitasking only to watch your PC freeze? Juggling work, gaming, and streaming feels impossible. Switching between screens, but everything slows down. You want power, speed, and smooth graphics. No compromises. Meet the GMKtec K6 Mini PC Gaming, powered by AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS, 8 cores, 16 threads, ultra-thin 4nm processor with built-in AI chip. Performance is 300% higher than older 6nm chips. Zen 4 architecture for stable, lightning-fast operation. Say goodbye to lag and hello to instant response. Radeon 780M graphics, 12 cores, 2700 MHz power. Built on AMD Rona 3 architecture for smoother gameplay. 23% better performance than previous Rona 2 models. Almost matches NVIDIA GTX 1650 Ti graphics. Dual fan system keeps everything cool and efficient. Adjust TDP and BIOS, 45W, 55W, or 65W modes. No more overheating during intense gaming sessions. 32GB DDR5 RAM, dual-channel 5600 MHz speed. 2 SO-DIMM slots, expand up to 64GB RAM. Pre-installed 2TB PCIe 4.0 SSD for blazing storage. Expand up to 4TB for all your games and files. Run multiple apps, store movies, photos, and projects. Triple display support, HDMI, Type-C, and DP 1.4. Connect 3 4K screens for ultimate productivity. Type-C port supports USB 4.0 scores, Thunderbolt 4 output. Transfer files at up to 40 Gbps, 4 times faster. PD power supply input for flexible charging options. Rich interface selection for all your devices. Dual 2.5 GB LAN ports for ultra-stable networking. Wi-Fi 6 RZ6X delivers speeds up to 2.4 Gbps. Supports dual frequency and multi-user MU-MIMO. Bluetooth 5.2 connects wireless mouse and keyboard. Screen projection made easy for presentations. Seamlessly link all your peripherals and gadgets. Stop struggling with slow, outdated computers. Imagine gaming with zero lag and crystal clear graphics. Picture yourself multitasking on 3 screens at once. No more waiting for files to load or apps to open. Experience smooth transitions and instant responses. Before, frustration, delays, and missed opportunities. After, speed, efficiency, and pure gaming joy. Before, overheating, crashes, and lost progress. After, cool performance, reliable stability, endless fun. Before, limited storage, constant upgrades needed. After, massive capacity, everything in one place. Before, one screen, limited productivity. After, triple 4K displays, multitasking made easy. Before, slow downloads, unstable connections. After, blazing fast network, uninterrupted gaming. GMKtec K6 Mini PC transforms your experience. Designed for gamers, power users, and tech enthusiasts. Ultra-fast Ryzen 7 7840HS and AI chip inside. Smooth gaming and multitasking with Radeon 780M GPU. Triple 4K display support boost your productivity. Dual 2.5 GB LAN ports and Wi-Fi 6 for stable connections. 32GB DDR5 RAM and 2TB SSD for massive storage. Flexible expansion options for future upgrades. All the ports you need for every device. Reliable cooling with dual fan system. Customizable power modes for your unique needs. GMKtec offers a 1-year limited warranty. Professional after-sales team always ready to help. Relax and enjoy your mini PC with peace of mind. Upgrade your setup. Ditch frustration for performance. Ready to level up your gaming and productivity? Choose GMKtec K6 Mini PC Gaming today. Experience the speed, stability, and pure enjoyment. Click now to unlock your ultimate desktop experience. GMKtec K6 Mini PC, where power meets possibility. Don't settle for less. Make the switch. Game, create, and work smarter than ever before. Get yours now and feel the difference instantly. GMKtec K6 Mini PC, performance redefined. Your next adventure starts here. Order today and join the future of computing. GMKtec K6 Mini PC, power in a compact form.